Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage the DPI settings in your Honor Magic V5. So at first you have to enter these settings over here and scroll down to display and brightness. Here, as you can see, we have display size. Tap that. Here you can increase the display size to large or default or small. Apart from that, here we do have font, not this one, font settings, and here we can increase the text size from normal to the huge or to the small, and text and icon boldness to the bold, as you can see, or to normal. Here we can tap more to search for more fonts. And actually that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any issues with your phone, let me know in the comments, and goodbye!